Hi, it's easy to make an appointment with your counselor. All you need to do is go to our Calendly.com website, which is on the screen, and then you go in and you look at the type of meeting that you would like to make. So we are calling it sophomore meeting for our sophomores. You're going to click on the sophomore meeting. It's going to bring up the calendar for your counselor. And you click on the day that you think you'd like to meet with your counselor. And then you can see the times that she has available. And then you can coordinate that with your calendar. And once you decide, yes, I can meet Wednesday at 10 o'clock, and then you confirm it and you put your information in. And this will be a Google Meet meeting. So I will get onto Google Meet and I will meet you there at your scheduled time. So we are looking forward to meeting with each of you and hope that you will take the time to make an appointment to see your counselor. Thanks.